Hello and welcome to the first session of the Definox eShop tutorials. This first video will allow you to follow the creation of an account step by step. To go to our eShop site, type the following keywords eShop Definox in the search engine of your choice. You can also log in from the general Definox website by clicking on the eShop icon at the top right of the screen, above the main menu. Once on the home page of the eShop site, at the top right of the screen, click on the Login button. Answer the question, are you already a customer? If so, you will be asked to answer a few questions before submitting your application to an eShop account. If not, click No, you will be redirected to a registration form. You will then be asked to fill in the following information. Your email address, preferably a valid professional email address. Choose a password and confirm it. You will be asked to give information about your company, company name, company identification, and full address. Then, you are invited to provide your contact details, first name, surname, and telephone number. This information will be useful for tracking your orders and facilitating customer-supplier relations. Once you've completed this stage, you'll need to enter your delivery details, address, country, postcode, and town. We will also ask you whether you would like your order to be delivered by DAP or EXWorks and your billing preference, post or email. Finally, if you wish, you can add a purchase, maintenance, and new projects manager. Once all the fields have been filled in, click on the Conditions and Confidentiality Policy box before confirming the creation of your account. And that's it, your account is created. You will be informed by email within a few days that your account has been opened. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you soon for a new tuto guide.